Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by unlocking the phone and opening settings. This puts you directly where system features live. Tap the search bar and type Data Saver to jump faster, because Realme layers some settings. Once found, press the Data Saver entry to view its controls. This shows why apps might be restricted. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active so the system displays live usage and per-app toggles, which you'll need for the next step. You now see the Data Saver screen with a global switch and a list of apps. This is where control happens. Tap the global toggle to disable restrictive saving, but pause. Review any apps listed as restricted because changing them affects sync and notifications. Once done, open the per-app controls to allow background data for essential apps. This explains why mail or messaging may stop updating. Make sure to balance data use against battery and plan limits. Flip the global Data Saver off to restore normal data behavior. This removes app restrictions and often resolves sync delays. After that, enable background data for specific apps you rely on, and then test notifications or mail to confirm everything flows. If an app still misbehaves, restart the phone to clear cache state. Make sure to recheck the Data Saver and per-app permissions because updates or power modes can reapply restrictions. Troubleshooting tip: reboot first, then revisit per-app settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.